Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add shows on YouTube. If you create podcast style content or episodic videos, YouTube lets you organize them into a show so viewer can easily follow each episode in order. So to get started, firstly you need to open your YouTube studio. Over here what you need to do is click onto this create in the top right. From here you can select this new podcast here, and after that you need to follow the on-screen instruction here. Click onto this create a new podcast. From here, you need to type down the title of the broadcast. Over here, you can also type down a description for it. You can add the episodes. Over here, you can make the thumbnails. You can also select for the visibility and sort order. And after that, click onto this add video, and you can add all of the episodes or add videos over here. And you can choose the existing video from your channel or upload new ones if they have not been published yet, and arrange the episode in correct order so viewers can watch them from beginning to end. And after reviewing everything, you need to select this create over here and follow the on-screen instruction. And that is it. That's how you can add a show on YouTube. Organizing a video into a show makes it easier for viewers to discover, follow, and enjoy your content. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.